Hey guys, today's video is going to be my April 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, I have pink hair. I wanted pink hair, and this is too pink for me. I wanted more of like a pastel light pink, and it's coming off not as vibrant on camera, but it's pretty vibrant. And then like underneath here, see, I just did the front, and then I didn't do like the back, so I don't like this like color contrast right here. My hair has been pretty much every color of the rainbow. I've been blonde, brunette, black, red, like a purpley, well, no, purple, like magenta, fuchsia. It's been orange, because that was when I tried to take the red out of my hair myself. It turned orange, and it's been like a greenish color before too, not intentional. But yeah, why not just add pink to the list? I hate it. Okay, the theme for this month is festival vibes. I look like I'm going to a festival with this hair, right? There's some other cards in the box. First is makeup eraser. I've tried this before. But yeah, there's just a code on here to get 20% off. All right, then what is this? Hi, love. In an effort to stay compliant with all state and federal advertising laws, including Section 5 of the Federal Trade Commission Act, we want to inform you of your responsibility to make prominent, clear, and conspicuous disclosure of your relationship with Boxycharm. They must have got in trouble because some shady ass people weren't disclosing that they were partnered with Boxycharm, so that's why they're sending this little notice out. Interesting. Well, as you guys know, I work with Boxycharm. They've been sending me boxes for like 5.5 years now. Okay, first thing in the box, we have some brushes. Pretty colors. This is from Lavish. It's a 5-piece neon eye brush collection. Retails for $29.99. I'm probably gonna give these away to someone because I don't need any more brushes. Okay, next we have the iconic London Illuminator. Retails for $41. It is a concentrated liquid shimmer that can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Yeah. Okay, next we have something from Benefit. This is the Professional. This is like a cult classic. Like, everyone likes this stuff. Boxycharm must know that my pores are the size of the Grand Canyon right now. That's why they sent this to me. This retails for $32. There we go. Okay, next there's something from Illuminati Cosmetics. The Gel Paint Duo in electric pink and blue. Retails for $42. Electrify your look with this gel paint in electric pink and electric blue. Wing it out for a dramatic look, or pop it in the inner corners of your eyes for a bold look. Okay, I definitely will not use these. But I get it, you know, festival vibes. Yeah, man, yeah, let's color our face. Like, yes, okay. But yeah, not gonna. Ooh, that is a bright ass pink. Here's that one. And then, oh. And there's the blue one. Okay, and the last thing in the box is a palette from Zoeva. It's my cat's name, Zoe. Zoeva offers a range of highly pigmented and easy to blend eyeshadows in tempting hues. Ooh, these are gonna be crazy colors, I bet. Okay, those aren't crazy colors. Those are actually really pretty colors. Ooh, I like it. A palette Mama can get down with. What's 182 degrees Celsius? What is that? That's a name on one of the colors. Aftertaste. Finish sensual. Starts. What? Start soft is the name of a color. Finish sensual is another name of a color. Almost burnt. Edible gem. Universal delight. Aftertaste. All right. On the back here, there's a code for Misguided to get 55% off your next order, but it's only good from April 15th to May 15th. What do you guys want to bet on the eve of April 14th they raise their prices super high? Guarantee it. I'm gonna go on their website right now and write down prices to a couple things and then check it on the 15th. What's the date today? What's the date today? Today is the 9th. I'm gonna do a little investigation and see, because I guarantee they're gonna do that. There's no way they can give 55% off their like normal prices. So that is it for my April Boxycharm. My final thoughts on the box, it was okay. I get it, like festival vibes, which aren't my type of vibes, So, you know, the brush set, like I said, I'm gonna give away because I don't need another brush set. I really am excited for this palette though, and the Professional I will definitely use. These guys, actually, you know, the only things that I probably won't use are these two things, the paint and the brushes. I will use this highlighter. So yeah, it was like, well, like 3 out of the 5. So, you know. If you guys are new to Boxycharm and you want to sign up, I will put my link down below.